Looking for an honest and real review of Hostinger? No worries, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll break down the pros, cons, pricing, speed, support, and who should actually choose Hostinger. A couple of years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now, confused about which hosting provider to trust. Like everyone else, I wanted a fast, stable hosting for my dream website, but the first hosting I picked, a total disaster. The website was super slow. Support kept saying, "Everything looks fine on our end," and every update broke something. Since then, I've tested many hosting companies, and today one of the most reliable ones I actually use is Hostinger. And here's why. Let's start with what most people care about first: price. Hostinger is easily one of the best budget-friendly hosting providers in the world. Their plans cost less than Bluehost, HostGator, and almost all other big names. What you get for the price is actually impressive. Free domain for the first year, free plenty of SSD or NVMe storage, easy WordPress setup, and no hidden charges. Their premium plan, which is the best value, costs under $3 per month. And honestly, you get more features than many $10 plans from other providers. So yes, Hostinger is unbeatable in price to quality ratio. Now the big question, is Hostinger fast? The answer is yes, surprisingly fast. Most WordPress sites load under 1 second if optimized properly. Why so fast? Because Hostinger uses light speed servers, built-in caching, NVMe storage, multiple global data centers. All these things improve website speed dramatically, and faster load times mean better SEO and a better user experience. Let's talk support, because you will need it at some point. Hostinger doesn't offer phone support, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker. Their 24/7 live chat is fast, friendly, and actually helpful. Most problems I faced were solved within minutes. Plus, their dashboard and tutorials are super beginner-friendly. If you're new to hosting, trust me, Hostinger is one of the easiest places to start. But nothing is perfect, right? So here are a few things you should know. Renewal prices are higher than the first-year discount. Cheapest plan comes with limited resources. No phone support. Panel is great, but some people still prefer cPanel. These aren't deal breakers, but you should be aware before choosing. Hostinger is perfect if you're building a blog, a portfolio, a small-medium online store, a business website, beginner or intermediate projects. It's fast, reliable, simple, and affordable. Everything you need to start with confidence. Hostinger might not be ideal if you're building a huge enterprise website, a massive online store expecting big traffic, something that requires phone support or advanced server configuration. For those cases, something like NameHero, SiteGround, or A2 hosting might be better. So, is Hostinger worth it? Absolutely, especially for beginners and small to medium projects. You get excellent speed, solid uptime, and powerful features at a price that's hard to beat. If you want to check out Hostinger, I've added the link in the description. Let me know which hosting provider you use. Your experience might help someone else.